Hello, my Ahsoka lovies. I finally got my remade headpiece in from EasyHandArt off of Etsy, and I wanted to show you what they sent me. Exciting, right? So here is my new headpiece that they made, which if you watched my other video, you see that it's made of cloth with like batting foam in it. This is the new one they sent. And they did send me 2 more hand armor pieces, seeing I was missing one of the hands. No, I got 2 of the same side of one of the hands. But this is the new headpiece, and this is the old one. Now, side-by-side difference, you can see that the other one is a bit smaller. Now, they got more of my dimensions this time. And then after they got my head circumference, they messaged me and said that to make it properly, they would make it an extra 10 centimeters than the size that I gave them. So let's check it out. We'll see if it fits. I noticed some few differences right away. The smaller version seems to be a lot more filled. And the seams seem a lot smoother than the new one I got. This one seems quite a bit, just not filled as well. I mean, I expect wrinkles from shipping and stuff like that happens, if that's what these wrinkles were from. But it's definitely looking a little scrub compared to the first one that they sent me. But I can work with that as long as this part's big enough and it fits. It does look like they made the crown a little bit wider than the other one, which I asked them to do that. However, slightly. But let me pop this on and see what it looks like. Normally I would wear a wig cap, but I'm feeling pretty lazy today. Let me just tuck these back. Messy hair, don't care. Stretch it out a bit. You can already tell it's bigger than the other one was. I'm thinking my main concern might be having to restuff this. But let's see. So this headpiece works like a hat. Just shove it on your melon. Can you tell I live in the South? Ugh, this thing has got to go. This is not cool. Need some other way to secure it to your head. I can already see I'm gonna have to make I'm thinking major adjustments. Do not like the way this crown fits. I might just take it off completely and make my own. And this elastic is just terrible. Not only will it mess up your face paint, it's just pretty annoying, like cuts into your chin. All right. So this makes me laugh because there's like literally no stuffing right here. I can see the material, which is like this, that they used to make the headpiece stand up in its shape. And there's no filling right here. So I'm definitely gonna have to dissect a little bit from the inside and restuff this. Normally I'll have my hair all tucked up. I've been thinking about using a bald cap, which is what I'll probably have to do with this headpiece, and I'll show you why. It's hard without a mirror, but if you could see back here, you would be able to see your hair. So if you're going to go with this headpiece, you're definitely going to need some type of bald cap or swim cap. If you go with this cosplay from EasyHandArt, you might not end up with this exact type that I got. This kind of looks rushed, which I understand, they were remaking my order. But if you're gonna remake somebody's order, you should probably make it at least, you know, satisfactory. So I'm going to have to restuff with some foam. Definitely the back, I feel like this is not big enough. I would have to restuff this to shape it better, to make it look actually like Ahsoka. I don't think the height is bad. I like it. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. If you saw the other video, or if you didn't see the other video, go back and watch it. It's got all the details of the rest of the costume, which is the dress I'm wearing right now. Definitely gonna remake this crown, I think. And I will probably also cover this with latex. This saved me a lot of time, but I would like to make it more realistic looking. And it's got a lot of seams, so I'll have to think about how I want to cover those. Tell me what you guys think. A few tweaking, and I can get this to look pretty decent. If you have a favorite version of Ahsoka Tano from Clone Wars or from Rebels, comment below which one's your favorite. She's got so many awesome outfits to cosplay. But I'm excited to see what I can make out of this headpiece. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. See you next time.